Is there a separate circuit breaker on my Onan 5500 Marquis Gold generator other than the 230 amp breakers near the start button? I started my generator and the transfer switch switched over. I then turned my AC on and the power went off to the trailer, but the generator kept running. I shut down the generator and I plugged the shore line into my Honda 2000 generator and got power to the trailer. I replaced my transfer switch thinking that was the problem. It did not fix the issue. Some help, please.
Hello, my name is. I am going to assist you with this. No, there is no other circuit breaker on the genset. The one by the start switch is the only one. But if this unit is mounted in a fifth wheel, there is sometimes another breaker on the trailer. Follow the AC conduit from the genset. Within 3 feet of the genset, it will lead to a junction box. This junction box will sometimes have a push-button type breaker mounted to it. If yours does, make sure they are not tripped. Whether or not there is a breaker there, open up the junction box. Loose connections inside are very common, especially if the installer did not tape the wire nuts in place. Check all the connections. Make sure they are clean and tight and making good contact. Be sure to tape all wire nuts back in place.
I will check that this weekend when I get home and get a chance to look at the trailer. I will report back once I check it and let you know if that cured the problem. Thank you for your help thus far. Matt.
Not a problem.
Hank, after tracing the wires to the junction box, I believe I found my problem. Once I opened the junction box up, I found that the wire nuts were not taped and had loosened up. The white wires all went to one wire nut, and one of the wires was out. There were 2 black wires, each connected to Romex coming from the trailer. One of the crimping wire nuts holding one set of the black wires together was melted. I believe that it had a bad connection causing heat. I was not able to finish the repair and check it today, but am confident this will have been the issue once I get it all back together and test it. Thank you again for your assistance.
Yep. I see this all too frequently. As I stated earlier, when you mock your connections, be sure to tape the wire nuts in place.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.